Niamh, the golden-haired beauty of Celtic legend, shaped the fate of great heroes. How well do you know her story? Who was Niamh's father? Niamh is most famous for loving whom? Where did Niamh take Oisin? What did Niamh ride? How long did Oisin believe he spent in Tir na Nog? What happened to Oisin when he returned? What was Niamh's defining physical trait? What warning did Niamh give Oisin? Niamh came from which mystical race? Why did Oisin leave Tir na Nog? Who was Niamh's mother? What did Oisin find when he returned? How did Oisin and Niamh meet? What did Niamh offer Oisin? What emotion dominates Niamh's tale? What happened to Niamh after Oisin left? The tale of Niamh reminds us that even the most magical love cannot escape time. How did you score? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more mythological stories and quizzes from Broken Sword Gaming.